Boy, you like toast. Good, good, good.
Yum, yum.
You like you like bacon, don't you? Good. I love you. What are you drinking? Chocolate milk. It's Ovaltine in it. At least it has some vitamins. Makes you it's healthy. Ovaltine is yummy, yummy, yummy for the tummy, tummy, tummy. Good stuff, huh? What is that? What was that? Banana. Don't take too big a bite. Choo choo choo. Choo choo choo. Good girl. I see your toofies. Yes, I see your teeth. Can you show Grandma your teeth? Are they busy right now? Use your fork. Use your fork. You don't want to use your fork, or you gonna eat like a little baby girl? Oh, there's that fork. I don't think you've decided if you're a lefty or a righty. Oops. Where'd it go?
Drop it.
You dropped it? That's okay. Still good. See? Pretty good stuff. Grandma keeps your stuff clean, so if you drop it, it's no problem. Don't stuff it all in your mouth, young lady. That's not nice. Take one out, you get choked. There you are. Eat one at a time. There you go. You're just hungry, aren't you?
Two.
Yeah, you got too big a piece, didn't you?
Piece.
You take a bite and then chew, chew, chew. Chew, chew, chew. You have pretty teeth, Aralynn. You have pretty teeth. What's your daddy's name? What's his name?
Yes.
Jeff.
Look.
He's at work, that's right. What's mommy's name?
Yeah.
Take that out of your mouth. What is it?
Leah.
Olivia. Olivia is her name, that's right. And what is Kiki's name? What's Kiki's name?
Nice.
No, what's her real name? What's your sister's big real name? You know. Is it Sam?
Yeah.
That's right. It's Samantha, isn't it? And
Nice.
what's Vanna? What do you call her, Vanna? What's her name? What's Sissy's name? Savannah? Where is Savannah today?
Both.
Where is she?
Bus.
School bus. No, they're at school now. Did you see Samantha get on the school bus? You did, didn't you?
Kick.
She kicked it? Oh, she didn't kick it.
Kick.
What color was Samantha's school bus?
The purple.
It was not purple. You say everything is purple. It was yellow.
Hello.
Yeah. A yellow school bus, right?
Baby.
Was that fun watching Samantha get on the school bus?
Kick.
Well, who kicked? Nobody kicked. Did you see Samantha kick? No. You silly. She didn't kick, did she? Huh?
Wait.
So where did Mommy go today?
Look.
Work. She's only going to work a little bit this morning, and then she's going to come and pick you up, and you and Mommy are going to go have lunch with Mommy's friends. That'd be great, right? Say yay! She said, I'm busy eating. Leave me alone. I love you, sweet pea.
Mommy.
That's Grandma's. All right. Say bye-bye.
Mommy.
Say bye.
Bye.
Love you.
I do.
All right. One more thing. Who did Grandma just take lunch to? Who did I take the breakfast to back there? Who's back there in that room? Who's laying down? Who?
Papa.
Papa is. So he's been up and he's resting, and so he's eating there, and he's gonna get up and play some more. Yay! All right, baby cheeks. I love you. Can you say I love you?
Yeah.
Say I
I
love. Hello. I love you. All right, Grandma's gonna quit so I can eat. Today's May 25th or 6th, 2010. Okay, bye-bye. Blue eyes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Precious, precious, precious child of God. And there are her little feet.